And as we conclude, talking about a donkey, I need to share 2-3 small points about a donkey. Quran and Hadith donkey. This is no fake donkey story here. Yeah? See, because a lot of people in the world act like donkeys, it's important that we speak to them in the language of a donkey. Hear what the Quran speaks again in Surah Jummah. Surah Jummah verse 5. Allah tells us if someone is blessed with a responsibility. You know responsibility? You're a hafiz, you're the president of the masjid, you're the chairman of your business, you're president of the country, you have a degree in this, you have a degree as this. If you don't act on what you are blessed with, Allah says in Surah Jummah, chapter 62, go check it, I don't have time to get into it. Verse 5, Allah says, you are like a donkey with books on top of you. You got a diploma, a doctorate diploma, a businessman diploma, a wealthy man diploma, a billionaire diploma, whatever, president diploma, hafiz diploma, sheikh diploma, imam diploma, but you're not acting on this knowledge that Allah has blessed you with, this wealth that Allah has blessed you with, this opportunity that Allah has blessed you with. You're not acting to suit that, so you're like a donkey. Why a donkey? Because a donkey carries things and don't know the worth of it. Someone scared? Donkey carries load and does not know the worth of it. They don't know they're carrying gold and diamond on their back. They don't know they're carrying books and knowledge on their back. This is just an example. The gold, the diamond, the precious things the donkeys transport, they don't know. So the human beings who are blessed with positions and opportunity, and this goes for everybody, all our viewers all over the world, put it in a pipe and smoke it.